The original Bramley railway station was opened by the Leeds, Bradford and Halifax Junction Railway on the 1st of August 1854. This was closed by British Railways on the 4th of July 1966, the last trains having called on the 2nd of July. The station had platforms opposite each other and were connected by a footbridge. The present station off Stanley Road was opened on the 12th of September 1983 by Metro and British Rail. The station's two wooden platforms are also staggered. So, to get things started here at Bramley, we see the departure of 195008 and 195011, with the 1433 Northern service from Chester to Leeds departing 16 minutes late. Departing over on the far side will be 195109, working the 1449 Northern service from Leeds through to Chester. Departing next from the station 11 minutes late will be 158752. Working the 1443 Northern service from Halifax through to Hull. Next to depart from the station 12 minutes late will be 195010 and 195017, with the 1503 Northern service from Manchester Victoria through to Leeds. As 195116 passes fast through working 1 Bravo 30 for Northern from Blackpool North to York, we see the departure of 195008 and 195011, with the 1519 Northern service from Leeds through to Manchester Victoria. Next out to depart 5 minutes late will be 195103, with the 1532 Northern service from Chester through to Leeds. And your final train of the session will be 158758, working the 1543 Northern service from Halifax through to Hull. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.